Welcome to Madrid. Today we're going to drive the brand new Audi TT RS as the Roadster. And I don't want to talk about details and datas. I want to hit the road, and that's what we do right now. And now let's have a closer look at the exterior design. Looking at the front, the first thing you see is this massive single frame grille in honeycomb optic, and we have the TTRS logo there, and very important, this big massive quadro sign there, so you're going to see this is the RS. Then we have these big air intakes here at the side, and what I think very nicely shaped LED headlights. They come as standard, but you can also order matrix LED. Coming to the side, the whole car is very flat. It's only 1.34 meters high, and our car is on 20-inch rims, so that looks great. Standard is 19-inch. The thing that you always find at the RS is the mirror in the silver optic here. This is typical for the RS. And if you then come to the rear of the car, you see this big rear spoiler here. That's only with the RS. We have these massive exhausts here. This is pure racing optic, and then first time in a series car, OLED backlights. The interior of the Audi TT RS is very sporty. We have very good seats here, sporty seats with a lot of support. Even a tall person like me with nearly 2 meters can sit here perfectly. I directly find a good position. We have the Audi Sport steering wheel in here that we know with all the pedals and all the stuff, but new is we have these two satellites here. One is for start and stop of the engine, and the other, I think very nicely and important, is the drive select. So I can really choose my way of driving without getting my hands off the steering wheel. I think it's a great idea. And on board also the Audi virtual cockpit, and here Audi offers a special, let's say, race mode for that car. It's the same as with the R8, and that really gives you only the information that you need for fast driving. Very nicely, and I think it's a good gimmick, is this windshield here that goes up and down by just using the button. I think it's a great idea. And now we do what this car is made for. We go on the racetrack, but for that we take the Coupe. And now we finally stop wasting time. Let's hit the racetrack. On board of our TTRS, we have a 2.5 liter 5-cylinder turbocharged engine that delivers 400 horsepower and 480 newton meters of torque. Interestingly, this torque is there between 1,700 and 5,850 revs, so you really have pure power all the time. This car accelerates in only 3.7 seconds from 0 to 100. Driving with the Roadster on open roads was great fun, but driving this Coupe here on the racetrack is a completely different game. That's absolutely fabulous. This is where you have to have the car. And the funny thing is, if you just look at the exterior, you would not expect that this car will drive this way. Great fun, pure pleasure. Now we're gonna try if this car really accelerates in only 3.7 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers or 60 miles per hour. We use the launch control for it. That means full brake, full power, off we go. 100. The TTRS is a very nice mixture out of a quite sporty looking car and a car you can drive daily. Very important here, that car really hides what it's capable of until you come right here to the racing track. Here you're going to feel and see what this car can deliver. But to be honest, the most of us should get used to this side of the car, because this is what you're going to see on the road, the rear.